Guys, welcome back to my home. So I don't have anyone to film for me, so unfortunately your view is gonna be like this. But here is some decor pieces that I hung up, just some family pictures. I think they look really good. My mom helped me like hang everything, and yeah, I just love this little wall. Okay, so don't mind the kids, they're downstairs playing, but here is my living room. I'll give you just a nice overview. I absolutely love it. My furniture is all from IKEA, and the blankets and pillows are from TJ Maxx. I'm so used to saying PJ Masks. And I went with red to kind of pull from my dining room and stick with February Valentine theme. So there is that. And then this is my favorite piece. I absolutely love it. I had so much fun decorating it. I wanted to keep black and white photos because I love the aesthetic. I just think it looks really, really pretty. So I will just kind of show you guys up close. I just have a lot of greenery from like various places. This is a picture of Presley's little baby feet, a vase from my grandma. These pieces are from Target. And I have a picture of Press and our dog, Benny. And then down here, another vase from my grandma, Mason and my pregnant belly. A picture of Press and her daddy. And more decor from like Target and Hobby Lobby. Picture of my babies. And then Mace and Presley and I. And some more greenery. I just really love that piece. I think it just looks beautiful. I don't know, I love it. And then I have a little side table here with a lamp and some greenery. There are my pillows. I just think they're so cute and perfect for Valentine's. And then I have another side table here with some decor and my chair. And then on this wall, we have our TV, which I plan to put the TV downstairs with a sectional and just put like maybe a big family portrait up there or something. I don't really want a TV up here because it's so just kind of like something that I would like just turn on and then it's on all day and it drives me nuts. And I don't like to eat with the TV on, and the kids, like, if they've been watching a show then they want to keep watching. I don't know, so I just don't want to have it up here. I just want it to be quiet and like where we do puzzles and read, you know. Then I have this stand from overstock.com, and then I have some more decor from Target and Hobby Lobby. And then I have a picture of Press when she was little, and then a picture of Mason and Dylan. And then I have, excuse me, Mason's keyboard here, and just a basket for blankets, but I don't have any in there for the moment. And then here is our dining room, which I absolutely love. I got this table from Ashley, and it is the Barcelona table. And I do plan to get a couple more of these metal chairs. They're from Home Depot. I want to have 3 on each side. I absolutely love it, you guys. This table is just gorgeous. I love it. It's perfect. And then over here I have this really nice space. I put my Let All That You Do Be Done in Love picture, and then my little farmhouse table with some decor. I absolutely love it. I love this family picture of us. You can't really tell, but Mason, well, I think you can tell, but everyone else says you can't. Poor little Mason had not been feeling very well, and Dylan was back for just a couple of days, so we wanted to get a photo shoot in, so we went anyway, but they turned out cute. Okay, so then here is an overview of the kitchen, and I will turn the lights on in a minute. I just wanted to see how it looked with my little lamp set up. Oh yes, sister. Okay, so here is the kitchen. I absolutely love it. Oh, don't mind Press. Yeah, so we have our fridge here, and then we have a ton of cabinet space, and I put this farmhouse sign up here with some greenery, and then I just have a fruit bowl and one of these little bottled lights I got from IKEA, and some paperwork of the kids, paper towel, some decor and a lamp here, and then I have my sink area, and the breakfast bar, which I still have to get bar stools for, but hold on. I do plan to do that soon. So then this is actually from Presley's birthday. I just haven't erased it, but I thought it looked kind of cute right there. Okay, so then I got these rugs from the Hearth and Hand line at Target. And then over here, I just love this. I have my Happily Ever After sign with another bottle of lights and some greenery and a bottle of wine that my sister got me. And then up here, I just have a farmhouse sign and my like windmill. And I still plan to put more decor up there, I just haven't yet. And then here is my pantry sign. So here is my pantry. And I thought I'd just show you guys real quick. Here's just some stuff that we have. I'm not done yet, but for now it works. And then we just have our little calendar right there. So that is my pantry for now. I love how spacious it is. It's just perfect. That is my kitchen, and I absolutely love it. It's just perfect. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should get like a little island? I saw some at IKEA. They're just small and you can put them right here in the middle. Maybe get like a little stool. I don't know. Or do you think it's fine without it? Let me know in the comments your thoughts. And then I also have this chalkboard right here that I love. I'm not good at chalk art by any means, but I put this up for the kids' baptism, and then Mace drew some hearts and stuff down there for me, but I do love this chalkboard. I think if I get better at it, it could look like really, really cool. Okay, and then above the door to my room, I just have this Every Love Story sign. I think it's super cute. Okay, so then here is my daughter's room, and I'll just give a quick overview. And my kids are in the background now, so you will hear them. But here is her bed, and I got this bed from Crate and Barrel, Crate & Kids, and I just absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. It's perfect for her, and I just really love it. And then the sheets are from Pottery Barn, and then the Care Bear my sister got her, and the other little bunny is from Cuddle & Kind, and then she has her unicorn, her little dreamer pillow, and this blanket is from Cerrone. So the kids' dressers are on the way. They haven't arrived yet. Of course, everything I chose from Pottery Barn was like back ordered for months, but she will be getting a dresser. It's the Ava Regency dresser, and it's super cute, but it's not here yet. So right here, she just has some blankets. This is the kids' dollhouse that I got. It's the Hape brand. I'm not sure how to say that. Then she has this IKEA lamp, her vanity from my mom, this cute little basket, and then my mom had a really good idea to hang this. It was her backdrop at her first birthday, but I think it looks so cute over her windows. I just love it. And then some of her toys, her cute little closet, and her baby crib. So now I'll show you some of the decor. So we put this stuff here, and a lot of it's from like Target and Hobby Lobby. And then she's got this picture here, and these here. And then I just absolutely love this wall. I told you guys how I thought about wallpapering it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know, I just love it. I think it's done really well, and it looks really nice in her room, so I may just leave it. And then she just has her closet, which is not done yet, but yeah, so she's got her balance bike and her backpack, and that is her room, you guys. I love it. I think it's so sweet and cute and just perfect for her. And then she also has this picture right here when you walk in. Okay, then we have the kids' bathroom, which is finished. I just have these bath mats here. Then I hung this cute little owl for their hand towels, put some greenery up, that cute Ray Dunn little holder that I have cotton balls in, and their sink, and a stool, and Presley's little potty. So that is it for their bathroom. My son's bedroom, which I absolutely love. I'll just give you a little overview. And yeah, it's just awesome. I love his bed. I love how the room turned out. And again, his dresser will be coming as well, and it will go on this wall here. But like I said, everything is back ordered. So it's gonna be a little bit. But he has his little shelf here with all of his books, and he's got all of his flags that he loves. He's got his special things. He got that little owlie for Christmas, and he has his space projector. He's got like 3 of these projectors. They're so cool and so fun. Then he has his snow globe, smaller globe, more flags. And here he's got just a bunch of his flags. And then down here, he's got PJ Masks stuff. Be right there. Legos, just some toys. Here he has his dry erase board, his space picture, his globe, and then like I said, his dresser will go right here. And then down here, I just love this space. So he has his chair from Pottery Barn, his little IKEA table, his calendar, his state map, space book, state puzzle, another interactive globe, baptism banners right there. He has his closet, which is not finished. I just have a lot of stuff in here until like his dresser comes. So he's just got more of his like toys and hats and games, flag stuff, drums, just all of that. His bin with all of his art. So yeah, once his dresser comes, I can finish things off a lot more. But for now, that's what we have. And then we have a couple of pictures, Mason and I, Mason is dad, and these pictures as well. And then his bed is up here. So he just has his calendar up here. He's got his Minecraft Legos and his space bed, which is just super cute. I love it, and he loves it as well. And yeah, and then there's his fun little view from up here. Pretty cool. And he has his slippers right down there. Guys, and here is my master bedroom. So there's still a couple of things I want to do, like decor-wise, on my dresser, and I want to get new bedding. But for now, I absolutely love it. So here is the wall that my bed's on. I love how this piece on the wall that my friend made really pulls the purple from the bed and the pillows and everything. I just think it looks really good. So there is that. And then here is my dresser. And then I have Benny's bed here, and I just have a family photo on the wall here. And then I've got some pictures of the kids, some devotionals that the kids got for their baptism we've been reading, and then I have these signs here that I've had forever. And then over here, my friend actually made this piece, and I absolutely love it. It looks so good in my room with the purples on my bed. I just think it's perfect. Okay guys, so clearly my closet is not finished. I just have a bunch of stuff stored that I'm still going through. I've got my Birch boxes here, baby wipes, a scale, and then I have the kids' clothes and mine hanging right now until their dressers come. So yeah, this is a work in progress. It will be awesome when it's done, and I will keep you guys updated and probably take you along with me while I get it done. But for now, that's what it looks like. Is my master bath, which I absolutely love. It's so nice having my own bathroom again. I got these rugs from Target, and the shower curtain is also from Target, and the decor pieces are from Target and TJ Maxx, I believe. So I've got that little sign there, and yeah, I've got my little garbage can. It's just so perfect. I love it. And I do plan to get those shelves for this spot, like I told you guys about in my empty house tour. So those will be coming soon, but for now I love it. And I usually have a gray hand towel hanging here, but I'm doing my laundry, so that is my master bath. Here is my linen closet. So I've got like medicines and stuff up there, curtains, extra sheets, diapers, blankets and pillows, some seasonal pillows, and toilet paper. So yeah. So there is my room, you guys. I hope you love it like I do. So next I wanted to share with you my laundry room and mud room. So I just have our washer and dryer here. We have the Whirlpool Cabrio, and then I have the kids' cubbies. So Mason's jacket is in the wash, but there's all of Presley's stuff, my stuff, and then we've got our shoes down here. And I do plan to get like baskets and stuff to just make it even a little more organized, but for now this is working. And here I just have some laundry that's gonna go in the washer. And then I put that little laundry sign, and I plan to go to Hobby Lobby and look for like another piece of decor to go on that wall, just to make it look a little more filled in. My kids are going crazy downstairs. Okay, and then in the hallways I put, watch out Benny, come here. I put this runner that I got from Target. Love it. And then I put this runner as well. I love them. I think they match really well and they look good. So not finished down here yet, but right now the playroom is set up. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So here is the kids' playroom. I think it looks so cute. I absolutely love it. And I did not bother like super cleaning it up because they mess it up in like 5 minutes. But eventually this side over here will be our family room. So I plan to get a sectional, put a TV up here, and have this side totally family room, and then this side will just be all playroom. But for now, this is what it looks like. And I love it, it works really well. And then I have like homeschool stuff right here. And then in here, this is going to be my studio for filming. But for now, it's just kind of holding some stuff until I get things hung. I'm trying to decide, do you guys think that decor looks better against this black wall, which probably is not gonna stay black, but I just love the color contrast. I think it looks so good. Or I'm gonna put it out here on this gray wall. I have not figured out where yet because I don't have my furniture down here, so I didn't wanna hang anything yet. But yeah, so this will be my studio. Like I said, it's not finished. I still have a lot to do there. But then I have arts and crafts stuff in here, like wrapping paper, paint, all that stuff for the kids. But yeah, eventually this will be my studio. Come on, Benny. So that will be really nice, and the kids can like play. It'll be great. And then down here, really haven't done anything with the guest room. All I did in the bathroom so far is put some nice rugs. Otherwise it looks the same. But yeah, there's the bathroom. So yeah, that is what the basement looks like right now. It's a work in progress, but I wanted to show you guys the playroom, definitely. Hi, sis. So yeah.